Alright, hi guys. So I have a package in the mail, and it is from AColdAlarmWithTheBoys, also known as Landon LaFever. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. If you saw his video, you'll know what's inside. Let's see here. Thank you for putting Fragile on it, Landon. Alrighty, so we got a lot of bubble wrap because I had asked him to do that. So I know what this is. Alright. Can you guess? We have, oh, you the man. He included resistors. Thank you. Good man. We have a, let's see what we got. Oh, nice. Oh, alright, nice. A 20 amp Leviton GFCI protected outlet. Very nice. This was from 2007. Very nice. Okay. Alright, I know this heavy guy right here. I know what's in that. So thank you for packaging this very well. Thank you for taking the time to do that. But let's go ahead and see what this big heavy guy is. It is the transformer. Man, this is heavy. Alright. Caution, high voltage. Yeah, it's a good thing. So we have 4.7 kilo ohm resistors right here. As you can see, 4.7 kilo ohms. And he even included the grill plate. Let's see what we got here. Now, yeah, I got his old MS2. Alrighty, so we know what this is, obviously, the MS2 board. But let me try to unbox this very gently here. So the reason why he shipped me this was because it wasn't working anymore, and my neighbor has a license in electrical engineering, and he said he would be more than happy to try to fix the knack. Because he knows about alarm systems and all, and he said he would be happy to do it, and yeah, so we're gonna go from there. So, man, you really bubble wrap this, thank you. So we got the board. Yeah, I'm probably boring everybody, I apologize. Try to undo it from the bubble wrap here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so here it is. The MS2 board. Here it is. So, yep, the knack is fried, but I'm going to try to fix it, as I told Landon. So, yeah. Alright, guys, so that's about it. So, I got an MS2 board, MS2 grill, the transformer for the MS2, a 20 amp GFCI protected outlet, and 4.7 kilo ohm resistors. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, Landon. And yeah, stay tuned for I'm going to try to make some videos with this. So we'll talk to you guys soon.